My name is Gilbert Kazamanande, and I'm going to talk about some important information related to Marvin Mana transition from paper-based healthcare records to an electronic health records system. It is clear that electronic health information exchange is becoming the standard of care. Therefore, adoption of electronic health records at Marvin Manor will help the administrators, patients, and the doctors to perform the healthcare effectively. It is an effective healthcare system to share healthcare information. Electronic health records system will facilitate the patient to access the medical information through patient portal, including medications, appointment schedules, emailing the physicians. Electronic health system key role is to improve the health care for the patients and to facilitate the management of medical organization. Electronic health record system provide the access of other healthcare related activities connected to patients' care as it involves the evidence decision-based support. Electronic health records are the computerized system that medical practices use to manage the patient health information to improve the quality of care and to process the medical decisions. It is the useful system to provide advanced medical care and to manage the medical operations in medical areas. Electronic health records system involves the medical practice management, medical chart management, communication, financial operation, prescribing the drugs to patients, and other medical functions from the clinical accountant, reducing the incidence of medical errors by improving the accuracy and clarity of medical records, making health information available, reducing duplication of tests, reducing delays in treatment, and patients were informed to take better decisions. Reducing medical errors by improving the accuracy and clarity of medical records, according to Centers for Medical Services 2021. Electronic health records consist the patient health information, including patient demographics, administrative functions, medications, billing data, vital signs, diagnosis and immunizations date. Importance of integration of administrative and clinical areas for effective use of electronic health records. Electronic health records have generated a considerable improvement in clinical performance. This system has increased the quality of care in consideration of patient safety, effectiveness, and efficiency. Electronic health record implementation in healthcare settings have reduced some medical errors in data management. Description of two components of electronic health records that support direct clinical care and explanation associated to the benefits and issues. The clinical care areas require to work together with administration process components to offer the effective medication services to patients. The better patient care through electronic health records. Electronic health records let the patient to access the medication information easily. For instance, they can use their mobile devices, computers, and tablets to access the medical information. The system improves the health education to patients. The system will be facilitating to prescribe the medication to patients and will be letting them to know how to use them temporarily and properly. And the system will allow physician and the nurse to access the progress and improvement for the patient. The issues related to electronic health records to better patient's care process. Electronic health record system may develop some negative emotions during the patient is navigating the medical result through electronic devices. Clinical decision support tools, CDS, computerized result, physician order entry, CPOE, and information exchange, HIE, work together to support the better patient care, clinical guideline, and effectiveness in healthcare setting. 1. Radiography. The use of X-ray developed to obtain the image or internal structure of the body. Therefore, the use of electronic health record system will lead to process and to get the image needed. The doctors can diagnose a patient based on charts that developed electronic health record system. The related issue with radiography. The issue related to radiography can be accounted as the digital errors, film handling errors. Electronic health records can generate perceptual and interpretive errors. Accurate, identify, and explain two electronic health record components that support administrative process. 1. Billing. Billing electronic system involve the reduction of healthcare cost. Electronic health record system increase to run the reports on account receivable quickly, provide monthly reports on earnings and reimbursement, and structure these reports to meet your needs. Example, net earnings per healthcare provider, net earnings per billable services, according to Bloomberg MR and through then RTND. In addition, the program maintains the insurance coverage records for use during the reimbursement. Transcription costs reduced in the healthcare organization. The pooling chart will and the refiling cost will be reduced. Administrative tasks as reduction of paperwork. For instance, filling out forms and processing billing requests represent a significant percentage of healthcare costs. Electronic health records can increase practice efficiency by streamlining these tasks, significantly decreasing cost, medical practice efficiency, and cost saving. ND. The paperwork based require procure the papers to write the financial and medical information, and implementation of electronic health record require the computer and other electronic devices which can be used for several years. The documentation doesn't necessarily require the papers and involves the automated coding to store the medical information. The issue related to electronic health records with billing process. The software of the system require updates and experienced medical practitioner. One, system downtime can create chaos when there is sufficient backup system in place. Two, users have false expectation regarding data accuracy and processing. Three, some clinicians cannot work efficiently without computerized system, according to Campbell and 2007. The system might generate unintended errors related to order entry of the data. Scheduling. Support interactions with other system applications and modules to provide the necessary data to a scheduling system for optional efficiency in the scheduling of patient care for either the patient or resources devices, according to American Academy of Family Physicians 2020. The system will be using to scheduling the appointment for the patient and the health care providers or physician at multiple locations to meet the patient. Scheduling process involve communication benefit. The administration will be using uh, electronic health record system to schedule all patients' appointments in considerable of the system's calendar. The system will be communicating through fax form using electronic health record software system. The system increases the professional communication within the office and to review the staff productivity. The physician and nurses will be able to access the medical history and prescribing the medication for patients easy and professional. This system will be reducing the long queue for the patient to access the physicians at the hospitals. Scheduling issues. The use of electronic health records to schedule appointments may create some unexpected absenteeism. Unexpected circumstances occur in our daily life. Therefore, an employee might suddenly not report at the job, which might cause an absenteeism at the office. Number three, privacy and security. Electronically capture privacy notice and consent form and attach them to patient record. This reduces storage and insurance. That these important forms are easy to review, according to Blamberg, MR, and Freewed, RT, and Nodet. An authorized person is can only access, store, audit, trial, and the allowed person can access the data. For example, a person working with billing data cannot access the clinical data. Thank you.